Hello everyone. Today we'll be looking at BuildSpace Pro Part 3 Contract Management. We will mainly discuss on how contractors can make use of the features of BuildSpace to manage a construction cost during the construction stage. In the project management module, the user will be able to prepare a Gantt chart in BuildSpace. These charts will reflect a more objective cash flow to provide a more accurate information for decision in relation to cost control. We can easily create a Gantt chart, give it a name, and also to set a start date for the project. The advantages of preparing a Gantt chart in BuildSpace is that the BQ items can be easily linked to each of the activities that we created in the schedule. For each of the activities, the user can edit the start date, end date, and also click the Build items to use the functions of tab BQ items to link the BQ items to each of the activities. The bars for each of the activities in the Gantt chart can be toggled easily to adjust the timeline. The project cash flow projection will calculate the monthly construction cost based on the BQ and the Gantt chart. And same goes to the project S-curve. It is also been automatically generated based on the Gantt chart. BuildSpace allows the user to manage all the progress claims recorded in this cloud-based solution. The user now can get rid of all the Excel files, data linking, and also formula setting that we used to do in the conventional way. Most importantly, the user will be able to retain all the project cost information in one single view that includes progress claims and also variation or even remeasurement quantities. All the construction work done can be directly updated in the contract BQ. The user can update the work done based on the percentage, and the quantity and amount will be updated automatically. If the work is to be done by the subcontractors, we can also record the work done in terms of quantities or amount. The calculations of claim amount and retention sum is automated and confirmed there will be no arithmetical errors. If the client is using BuildSpace to manage a contract, the user can also submit an e-claim submission straight away into client server, and that will also allow the user to save time and all the resources. The submitted claim will be tabulated in client's view side by side as the comparison to the work done approved by the quantity surveyors. All the claim records are maintained, including the claim amount and paid amount. The user can also access all the historical record easily in the system. Variation should be carefully and also properly managed to ensure the project's profitability is not affected when there is a change instructed by the client. BuildSpace provides the user a master list of all the VOs created in the system and to allow the user to attach all the supporting documents to support each of the VOs. It is to also allow the user to easily retrieve all the records and compile the information for the preparations of final account closure. User can also easily monitor whether the VO has already been incorporated into the progress claims. It allows the user and the management to keep track of all the VOs, including the payment statuses of all the VOs. Most importantly, this master list is updated automatically every time when there is a VO being created and linked to a progress claim. Besides, the budget allocated for each of the VO and actual additional omission from the contract BQ as well as net additional omission amount is clearly stated. BuildSpace also allows the user to record the remeasured quantities and immediately display the variance between a contract sum and actual work done without needing the user to do it separately in Excel, for example. What we need to do is just to come to Remeasurement submodule, input the actual quantity into each of the remeasured items. By doing so, it provides an insight of the potential cost deviation as early as possible for the user to plan ahead.